Friends, if you like my story, so please comment and subscribe it. The story, the bird story. There was a bird. It is very beautiful, but the thing to say in bird is color. The bird has all colors, and its name is Kolu. When Kolu fly in the sky, all animals laugh when they see to the Kolu. So Kolu went to his mother and said, "Mom, all animals see me and laugh to me." Kolu asked to his mother. Then mother said, "All animals laugh after see you because your color is different from all birds." Kolu said to his mother, "Who will be my best friend?" Then mother said, "There was a rainbow from where you came. When you go back to the rainbow and you touch the rainbow, then your color will be changed like normal bird. But there are some difficulties to go to the rainbow because there are dangerous birds and the sun heat, and the last dangerous difficulties is the bad atmosphere." "Oh Kolu, it's so nice. Go to your bed and sleep." But Kolu was not yet to sleep. He think whole night that how can I went to the rainbow. And every day Kolu see in the sky. Then the day was come when the Kolu see the rainbow, and he was so excited to touch the rainbow. The Kolu fly in the sky and going to the dangerous adventure. When his mother see him to touch the rainbow, then his mother shouted very loudly, "Come back, you come back, Kolu, come back." But the Kolu was not yet to listen. His mother, because Kolu was knowing I can do, and Kolu adventure starts. The first difficulties Kolu has seen that her mother said the dangerous words, but Kolu have planned how to save himself. Kolu went to the dangerous bird. Birds discuss that see his color and it will be tasty also. But when Kolu said his adventure, so all birds cry and say that we help you to touch the rainbow. The bird helped Kolu in second difficulties, the heat of the sun, and the third difficulty is the atmosphere. And then the bird said that this much only we can help you. So Kolu touched the rainbow. Then Kolu wanted to come back to home. But when Kolu was returning to home, the atmosphere and the sun heat has tied Kolu. Kolu मर चुका था. The Kolu fell down to the land, and all birds are seeing to Kolu. Then Kolu mother has came and cried very much. तो आप लोगों को ये स्टोरी कैसी लगी? और इसके बाद मैं इसी कहानी का पार्ट 2 बनाने वाला हूँ. इस कहानी का पार्ट 2 इस प्रकार बनेगा कि जो कोलो था उसने वो शादी कर चुका था. तो जब उसका बच्चा हुआ तो वो भी एक कलरफुल बर्ड में निकला. तो उसकी माँ को सब पता चला. फिर उसके बाद आगे क्या हुआ, कोलो मर चुका था जो छूने गया था, और फिर जो उसका बच्चा हुआ उसको कैसे पता चलेगा, उसकी माँ उसको क्या कहेगी, ये आपको मैं पार्ट 2 में बताऊँगा. तो प्लीज़ फ्रेंड्स सब्सक्राइब इट प्लीज़. और मैं ऐसी बहुत अच्छी एंड यूनिक कहानियाँ आपसे सामने लाता हूँ.